I didn't want to do that one. Lost count. Where are we? That one.
Yep.
View. Full screen. So you have your laser pointer. Is the microphone height about right for you?
1, 2, 3. Yeah. All right. So hello, everyone. My name is Andrey Kokorev, and I'm going to talk about our new portable pipeline for exome and genome sequencing. To start with, we had a fully functional pipeline which was written in Python. So it was a bunch of Python scripts running on SunGrid engine. It was open sourced, but it was very hard even for us to modify and to share with you, so you couldn't use it without our further assistance. And so it was not fully open. Thus, we decided to develop a new pipeline using modern technologies. We upgraded JTK we used. We decided to use Cromwell as a workflow management service and written the pipeline in WDL, which is very, very nice. And of course, it's fully open source. Our pipeline consists of 3 main parts. So the first is upstream, is JTK best practices pipeline with a common variant calling. After that, data comes to the second component, which identifies very rare cases. We use a custom set of variant callers, for example, our de novo caller. And then we annotate this data with some further information and output the VCF file. So as it runs on Cromwell, you can run it everywhere, anywhere where Cromwell is deployed, in your cluster, in some clouds. And they recently added the AWS support. It is still in beta, so we tried it out, and there are some issues we encountered. The first one was an issue with call caching. So all the jobs that perform some computation, they take input, compute something, take output, and we heavily reuse these results. And without call caching, our pipeline was not very usable on AWS. Hopefully, luckily they fixed it in April, so it's all right now. The second major issue we had, and it's not still resolved, AWS, as it turns out, it restricts number of requests that you make for each service of AWS, for example, REST-3. And our pipeline massively starts new jobs. They start to download data, and at that moment, AWS started throttling our requests. So 2 months, 3 months ago, Cromwell just crashed. Right now, it is able to retry requests, and this is not a great solution. This is just a workaround, but according to the devs, the best solution, just to apply jobs in a batch, supporting AWS batch requests, would require some redesign of the Cromwell itself. So, yeah, if you design your workflow, try to avoid that mistake, I guess. Thank you.
Reminder for anyone that's sneaking in the back, if you go to sli.do, that's Slido, and enter BOSC 2009, you can enter questions to speakers online. You don't need to give a name. Sorry, BOSC 2019. Do you want the PDF or the PowerPoint?